Biology is the study of all forms of life, from mushroom to the elephant, from the mosquito to the butterfly, from the worm and of course to the human being. The earth is a home to an incredible diversity of life. Diversity is the variety of life. It all lives in the biosphere. The biosphere is anywhere life exists. All its parts are interconnected. There are many different environments. The earth is home to incredible diversity of life. These environments can be on the land, or they can be in the oceans. In the land, we have such things as the deserts, the grasslands, the tropical rainforests, the taiga, and the tundra. In the oceans, you have saltwater ecosystems, environments, and freshwater saltwater ecosystems. Or they could be in parts of the atmosphere. Biodiversity is the variety of life, and it's greater when it's consistently warm. So, biodiversity is greater close to the equator. These lines show the different types of life, and you can see that as you get closer to the equator, there are more and more lines per mile, square mile of latitude than at the poles. A species is one type of particular living thing. Members of the same species can interbreed and produce offspring that are like themselves. We have identified about 2 million different living species, from the kinds of ants, which have parts of their members that store food and other of their members that take care of those, to human beings. All organisms share certain characteristics, and biology is the scientific study of all forms of life. At this African watering hole, you can see many varieties of life, many species, giraffes and zebras, all the birds, the antelope. An organism is any individual living thing. All organisms are made up of at least one cell and often more cells. These are separate cells here. All organisms, living things, need energy for metabolism, that is, to carry on all the chemical processes in their bodies. All living things respond to their environment. If the environment changes, they change their actions to counteract the change. They all have DNA that they pass on to the offspring. You should take time to write those words down, those sentences down. Memorize them.